Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the east end of the ring for a special presentation. Throughout opening weekend, the team of 18,000 is saluting our state of heroes, and tonight we salute the 133rd Airlift Wing of the Minnesota Air National Guard. The 133rd Airlift Wing deployed for 3 months this past spring, from March through May 2007, in support of Operation Iraqi and Enduring Freedom. In total, this team of 7 individuals flew 900 passengers, 300 tons of cargo, and 82 sorties, and logged over 70 hours of flying in a dangerous environment. They also performed 3 airdrop missions in support of troops in combat and 2 aeromedical evacuations. An American flag flew with them on a C-130 mission into an austere field located in the southwestern Afghanistan. Tonight, that flag is being presented to the Minnesota Wild from the crew of the 133rd Airlift Wing, including Aircraft Commander Nathan Kasich, Master Sergeant Jeff Rosenthal, Technical Sergeant Aaron Stromberg, Technical Sergeant Keith Allenda. Also a part of the group but unable to be here this evening, co-pilot Captain Scott Wilcox and Navigator Captain Andy Torzuski, as well as the flight surgeon Colonel David Halmer. Colonel Halmer is also the team oral surgeon for the Minnesota Wild. Accepting the flag on behalf of the Minnesota Wild is Chairman Bob Negley. The Minnesota Wild and the entire team of 18,000, thank you for this generous gift, and we salute you for your service to our country.